Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix touchscreen not working on iPhone after updating to new iOS 16 version. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your device, hold down the power button until slide to power off appears, then slide to turn off your device and turn it on back on holding the power down button. And so after this, open your lock screen. So after this, the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings here, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply reset your iPhone. So after this, the next solution is check for a software update. So update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down and tap on software update here. So wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, if none of the above steps work, so contact Apple support for additional assistance. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.